Looks like one of the Monty Python French people, doesn't he?
Father or brother. Civil War's like that. But if you know that you're fighting the people that have got a white cross on their tunic, then you stand more of a chance
and justice!
Finding out that you've taken uncontrolled prisoners on your side.
Good, justice and democracy. Come on, Fred!
Come on, let's have a look. Oh, what, the runaway? No, the story. Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
One face back.
Along with us!
Left flank, along with us. Form a line here. Double rank. Double rank. Double rank. Get on the front if you want to fight. Dress up.
We run.
You have to
run away. Go to the front, you're filming.
Huh?
Go to the front, you're filming.
To be honest, if you're riding a heading, then it's all going to be there. Maybe light around the edge. Give me water to the back today, lads.
Oh!
Come on!
Come on,
When the horses come, or at least our guy. That's the far corner. I will say, the horse we break when the horse or maybe it's part of it. On guard. Off guard. On guard. Off guard. The aim of the game is to make one of the squishies feel inadequate. We dwarves are natural sprinters. Quite dangerous, I thought. You're going to hit that. Think you can get that? I was still making light of it. That is the real MVP.
Sorry.
Just a bit of detail. They're climbing the steps to do nobody else.
Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. A couple of other safety issues we have to resolve before we let the fight start. Because yes, even though we're trying to recreate a battle, we do have to obey health and safety law.
Alright,
Yeah, you have to kill people in a humane and safe way.
No shooting, sorry, no. I'm going to bring back the old song.
What did I do? I went to the I've never heard that. Let me get back to cap, we're in a war.
There's a free lads banner. I want it. Don't kill the flag. But if they fall over, happen to just kill the progress.
I heard about last night. Wouldn't it be funny? It would be funny. It would be funny.
Don't fire anybody over on your way to the entry point, okay?
Red shield, white shadow.
Come on, Ford! Come on, Ford!
Truth and justice! God! Come on, Ford!
Come on, Ford!
Keep standing for one at the rear. He's got the Prince of Wales, he's Prince Edward, he's Prince of England.
Want a shot? Come on, King! Come on, King! Come on, Ford!
God!
Team Oxford and justice! Death to perjurers and oathbreakers! Whoa! Death to the Lucianians! Death to the Lucianians! Demon foot! Demon foot! Demon foot! Demon foot! Demon foot! Ready!
Get the archers!
Just turn around.
Central with the flag! Advance! Rip down, shields up! That's right!
Take off our centre of the ball.
That's right! Second right!
Have a care! No.
Oh, hello. Oh, it could be Harold.
You get more power behind individual arrows than lofting. Not quite sure how the physics works. That's interesting. Yeah, Carlo, and he's holding his weapon in the air. He is approaching.
All clear.
Nope, nope. They're still shooting.
No. Arrows.
Still shooting.
Arrows. Alright, stand up. No.
He's pressing the arrow.
Shields down, shields down.
Right, shields down.
I think they're trying to decide if they should stop fighting and go home alone. It's quite normal for the army commanders to talk to each other before the fight really gets intense. Because they can settle their differences without lots of negative side circuits. Probably.
God! Democrat! And justice!
God! Democrat! And justice!
Away with you! Oh, you can try. Not that I can read it anyway. Baronial! Advance!
Out!
Right!
Yes.
Elbows, Cap!
Just to the left.
Cross left.